In the vast universe, there are countless celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are extremely scary, such as the neutron. The neutron is the heaviest celestial body, apart from the black hole, in terms of density and gravity. It is similar to the white dwarf star. They are all particles left behind after the evolution of life on the planet. But the only difference is that the neutron is formed by large mass stars. According to the discovery of astronomers, the neutron is formed by stars above 8 times the solar mass and below 30 times the solar mass. Many people may wonder why the neutron is formed by stars above 8 times the solar mass and below 30 times the solar mass. We know that the neutron glows and heats up because of the internal nuclear fusion. Generally, medium to low mass neutrons can stop from hydrogen to carbon. Large mass neutrons can change to iron due to the high internal pressure and temperature. When the core of the neutron changes to iron, it can no longer release energy because the iron structure is extremely stable. At this time, the internal heat radiation pressure will stop, and the core begins to probe towards the center. In the end, the gravity is broken, and the whole star collapses. In the process of explosion probe, if the iron core of the star exceeds the Chandrasekhar limit, that is, more than 1.44 times the solar mass, then the gravity will continue to squeeze the atoms so that the electrons are squeezed into the atomic core, and the neutrons are combined to form neutrons. That is, all substances become neutrons. They are tightly squeezed together. This is the neutron. Although the radius of the neutron is only about dozens of kilometers, its mass is equivalent to 1.4 to 3.2 times that of the Sun. The mass of a single cubic centimeter can reach 100 million to 1 billion tons, which is about 1 million times the density of water. The neutron is not only extremely dense, but also extremely powerful. Its escape velocity can reach about 50% of the speed of light. In other words, after the light enters its range, it can only break through in the form of a parabola. It is not difficult to imagine what a terrible weather this is. Well, let's assume today, if such a weather approaches our Earth, what will happen? When the neutron approaches the Earth, the ocean on the Earth is first evaporated. Due to the high temperature of the neutron, the surface can reach a temperature of 15 million degrees. At such a high temperature, liquid water will evaporate instantly. At the same time, the Earth will also fall into the sea of fire. Next, the powerful gravity of the neutron will affect the unprecedented supervolcano eruption and super-earthquake. As the neutron continues to approach, the gravity increases, and the Earth begins to tear. A large number of fragments gradually fall into the neutron. If you can stay in space, you will see a terrible scene like the end of the world. In the end, with the passage of time, the whole Earth will collapse completely, and the pieces of the Earth will be devoured by the neutron.